Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring in more Bakersfield business. Now, I'm at your website and I've copied your URL and I put it into my third-party scanner that I use, RankDaddy Elite. And what we're going to do is we're going to look up your main header tags. And your header tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. It's very important. The tags are made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, your H1 tag, and your H2 tag. And as you can see right here, your title tag is very good. Your metadata tag, the length of it is perfect. But unfortunately, none of your header tags mention Bakersfield. I know you're paying for click per pay right now with Google Ads. I usually go to page 1 and pick the first 3 or 4 pages, or excuse me, first 3 or 4 companies and get bids for them. So let's see exactly where you're ranking with Google today. So I use a third-party tracker for this as well. It's called SERPtrack.io. You can get a free subscription to this. And I use these keywords: Bakersfield Roofing Contractor, Bakersfield Roofing Company, and Bakersfield Roof Repair. Unfortunately, you aren't ranking in the top 100. Now, we can help you with this. It's why I'm reaching out to you today. We can get this fixed, and we can get you a ton of business in Bakersfield and get you ranked on the first page. If you could use more business in Bakersfield, please respond to this email. Have a great day. Thanks.